First of all, we will see the SSD. Huh? So when SSD or NVMe come for data recovery, what you have to do? So that is, first we have to check the NVMe manufacturer and SSD manufacturer. Okay. So these are the first we have to see what is the manufacturer. It is an Nextron. What is a Frontier, Intel. So first of all, what we have to find? This is first we have to find the check the manufacturer and model number of SSD. It is written on the outside of SSD and NVMe. The sticker. Intel also its brand. Intel which brand, Samsung which brand, Hikvision, WD Samsung. These are the manufacturer, some name. Okay. So here are some manufacturers list. See. These are the manufacturer lists. Who are the manufacturer? So these all are the manufacturer of SSD. So what we have to mention? We have to mention the name, brand, model number, interface, form, capacity, controller. This is a controller name. So this is a brand, Acer. Acer manufactures some different models. You can identify some models. Acer models. We have a chart of this interface. It is a SATA or NVMe M.2 like that. Second 2.5 is your M.2. 2.5 means SSD and M.2 means NVMe. Size and what is its controller. Controller we will go on second part, but first we have to identify the model number, brand and model number. Brand means manufacturer and not manufacturer, the supplier. Manufacturer is different and supplier is different. Okay, so this is your supplier and this is your sub brand. The ADATA, you can see ADATA, Adling, FSR, Corsair, Crucial, Gigabyte, HP, and Inline, Intel, Kingston, Clius. These all are the SSD dealer who sells the SSD with their name. Supplier. Manufacturer, WD, like that. Okay, these are the model number. So first is we have to see this model number, identify which it is there. Okay, second thing. Then check on MRT and PC3000 sites about the supported model available or not. What we have to see? If it is a firmware issue, what we will do? We have to see the sites. It is available in the PC3000 support or not. For that we will go here. We will find here. We will find here Google and go to PC3000 supported models. PC3000 supported SSD or NVMe. So here we will see. Okay. So what the model it is supporting, it is gives the list of supported models. Here is a list of supported model. You can check here. ADATA XPG, ADATA HP. So you can find that supported model is supported by PC3000 or MRT. This is your model Kingston. This is your model Kingston Smart. These are the supported with the PC3000. Some is supported in portable. So these above are supported by portable only. And below these are supported with the UDMA. This is for UDMA. There are two ports in a PC3000. One is a portable and one is a UDMA. The UDMA supports only SSD and NVMe supported in portable only. MRT only support SSD, no support of NVMe in MRT. So here are the list of supported. This is your model and this is your controller. Next portion we will go on controller. So second option, first we will see it is supported by PC3000 or MRT. If it is a firmware issue, we can repair with this case. So we will go on this site, supported models, and check it is controller supported or not. Third types of controller model. Next portion is types of controller model. Third option we will see the type which controller it is. Controller means the controller is a control the NAND IC. So types of controller model here, SM, Silicon Motion, Fission, IDX, they are the manufacturers of controller. So this is your silicon motion. We already explained you what is a controller, what is an N, and what is a basic. So here you have to check the silicon motions. In a silicon motion there are different controllers numbers are there. Currently running 2258, 2259 in new models, and older there are different models. Fission you can see SSD. These are the latest models and these are old models. IDX, Marvel, Realtek, Mastec, Yester, Samsung, AS Media, SMI, A Solid. These are the normal models. So first we will check the model, then what the controller is. Through the controller we will upload the firmware or LDR files. So in this controller we can find the controller number, second option. Next portion we will see the NAND IC. Then find its flash ID. We have to find its flash ID, which software is inside the controller, which control the NAND and controller, that is a flash ID through its software. The third option, after controller we will check if it is supported by PC3000, then no need any software, but if not supporting PC3000 or MRT, then manually we have to find the software by external softwares. Some software we will find these things with that. So here are the different manufacture of NAND chips. Now the NAND is what, like a hard disk there is a platter. In a SSD as instead of platter there is a NAND chip. The NAND chip are different manufacturers: Micron, Samsung, SK Hynix, Western Digital, YMTC, Solid. These are the manufacturer of NAND chips. And in the NAND chip there is a track sector, in the platter there is a track sector like that. In the NAND chip there are layers like row, column, like this it is there. So here is the NAND chips. So Samsung, Micron, SK Hynix, and these are the different type of NAND. Now we are giving example. If we have a controller of SM2258XT, this is a controller, this is NAND chip, and this is your whole SSD. Okay. So here is your controller, this is your NAND chip, that is a platter, like a platter. This is your PCB, it control the platters, where to write like that. So platters and controller are here. Okay. So this is your controller, this is your NAND IC, and these are the power regulator which control the power. So here is the IC is SM2258XT. Then we have to find a flash ID. This is your controller NAND IC chip H27. This chip is the Hynix NAND chip. Hynix you can find this chip is there. So for controller and NAND we have to find the software. Depend on the controller we will use SMI flash ID. Depend on the controller we will use its software. If you don't have MRT or PC3000, then if MRT PC3000 it will automatically done the task. So here is a controller software Hynix chip. So when we run this SMI flash ID, it will go to the DOS port and it will show me the controller number here. Samsung SSD. If I select here StoreJet Transcend, then it will give me its firmware version. That is a Hynix 3D V4. This is its firmware. So NAND IC we have to find the controller, through this it will work. So here is a Hynix 3D V4 72L. So that firmware we have to find from the websites and then we have to manually download. There are two types of download, one through MRT or PC3000, another is manually you can do it. So this software we can find here. For that we will go in a site. Normally most of the site is usbdev.ru. This site is running for firmware download. So we will go here. We go here and here we have a controller. These are the controller motions. So we have SMI controller. Here we have a controller number is SM2258XT. So we will go down and we here found SMI 2258XT here. When we click here, it has some another version also. See. First we have to find the flash ID. So what is the flash ID that we have to find? After flash ID, there are different type of versions are there. So here our version is what? 3D V4 72L. The 3D V4 we will found here 3D V4. Here we can find out the software version. See. So from here we can find out the software version. There are different softwares and its firmware is here. So SM2258 is not XT, I think. See, we go here, 22XT MP tool, and when we download here, what is the version? HY3D. So here is your HY3D version 4. HY3D version 4. This is your version. This is your version, and here also we have a different versions. From here we can download HY3D version 4. Here, latest software. From here we will download the firmware like that. Here is the latest firmware. You can download from here also. It will start downloading. See, it is downloading. So you can download the firmware through like this. Actually, the last will be the latest firmware. First to take this. If not work, then we can take other firmware step by step. First take this. If not work, then like that. That is. If not get firmware from this side, we have to wait from the Chinese side to find. So when we download, it will give me these softwares. Then we will run these softwares. This is test. Then we will connect the ready mode. These are the steps how to firmware update. Here is the parameters are there. Parameters, the password you have to type the USB div. 2 space empty given to password. It will load the configuration of SSD. Then it will load the SSD configuration. Flash select auto, CHCA map 1 chip subdivided, then RDT select, then start space key, then it will upload it. These are the silicon motions, Marvel, SanDisk, Samsung, Maxitalk, Realtek, InnoGrid. These are the different softwares what we have given the software link. You can download the software to find the HDD ID. And SSD utility to check its condition. Software list, you can use this software for controller. These are the that find some software link. They are finding the controller numbers and all those things. These are the software list. So we will do this as per that. We will do some practical and we will show you. So these are the controller. We have to find different controllers and when we can do it. Okay. Before this, you have to watch the 2 basic videos. Then only you will understand these things.